Welcome back to the channel. It is Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur. Yes, coming at you with another Make Money Online video, and today we will be covering make money with YouTube videos without showing your face. Yes, and it is another great one coming at you, so let's get into it. Before we get into it, remember to like, comment and subscribe to receive notifications on my next latest Make Money Online videos. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in the method in which I will be showing you today how to make videos without showing your face on YouTube and making money with the YouTube Partnership Program. Here it is, and the channel name is called Lena Slime Makeup ASMR. Now she has an awesome channel, as you can see, Lena Slime, 4.27 million followers and subscribers. And as you can see, she creates videos that are mixing makeup eyeshadow into clear slime. So if you are to come and check this channel out, you will see that she has many videos. They are similar, however they are different in that they have different content. But as you can see, look at how many views she is receiving for each of these videos. 500,000, 600,000, 300,000, 940,000. And what does she do? She just versus one color against another. So it's that simple. She is a big leader in this particular niche, or niche, however you'd like to say it in your country, and she is doing Okay, so before we go and check out how much Lena Slime Makeup ASMR is making on Social Blade, let's watch one of the videos so you can get a feel for how you also can make videos just like this. Alright, so here we are checking out the Cherry vs Black mixing makeup eyeshadow into slime ASMR, and as you can see, it simply consists of 2 trays of clear slime where different makeup items are being broken up or destructed straight into the trays of slime, and by that you can see that it creates an interesting video. And the ASMR factor is in the destruction and also the blending of the makeup into these slime trays. Okay, so here we are in Social Blade, and here is Lena Slime Makeup ASMR. So this channel started in November 2018, so pretty much 2 years ago now, but not quite 2 years. So a really fast growth curve and a massive channel in over a year and some months. So clearly they have had millions and millions and a billion views now, 4.27 million subscribers. The country that it's coming from looks like India, and the subscribers and the rank and everything, I mean, it's pretty cool what they've done just by making slime and mixing it with makeup and showing it on YouTube, so you too can do something like that. So here in the last 30 days they've had 60 million views. OMG. The estimated monthly earnings is 15.2k to 243.6k. This channel is blowing up wowee, 182.7k to $2.9 million estimated yearly earnings. So that is the potential in the slime niche. Let's go on down and see how much likes per day. So going on down, and as you can see, anywhere from 9.5k per day down to 6k per day. So anywhere in between there, $376 to 6k per day. I mean, that is an awesome income. That is more than enough to live on. I mean, they are India based and this is the money that they are making. So it's not about location, it's about application, consistency, tenacity, and the will to absolutely give it your all and keep working at whatever it is that your niche is, as long as you can see that there are keys to success. It's best to follow the successful people. So here we are, Lena Slime. If we have a look at what the CPM roughly could be, anywhere as they suggest down here from 25 cents through to $4 per 1,000 views. Let's do the quick calculation for that and check out the in-between earnings or the realistic earnings, and see what we could also do without showing our face and making slime videos with YouTube. Okay, so let's do the calculation for the 8th of the 5th. So they had 1.5 million views, Lena Slime did, so 1.50000, so 1.5 million views, and we need to actually find out the CPM, so we need to divide that by 1,000. So that will give us the CPM, so 1.5k, and we're going to times that by $3. So that's the higher end. Even if it was $2, which is the middle of the road, you would make 3k with a channel like Lena Slime. So you really cannot blink an eye at that kind of income from a channel that, if you're dedicated and you create slime videos mixing makeup or something similar, that you too can make somewhere between $376 and 6k, knowing that they have adverts and they are part of the YouTube partnership program and they are making money from the adverts. 3k is very realistic, and wouldn't that be a wonderful income to make from YouTube? You ask yourself if that is something you would want. I say definitely yes. So get on in there and start to build a channel very similar. Alright, we are now going to go and have a quick overview of what you may need to create videos like this, and then finish on up for today. Alright, let's have a look at those items. Okay, so here we are back at Lena Slime, checking out the cherry versus black mixing makeup eyeshadow video, and let's just watch it for a second and break down what specifically you would need to create videos just like this or very similar. So here we are, you can see that they have glitter. There's glitter being added to a container or glass container of clear slime. So when you are needing to create videos like this, you will clearly need pre-made clear slime. You will need makeup and colors that you would like to verse each other. So here they have chosen black and cherry, and you can see that they are destroying the makeup into the containers. So you've got cherry, which is obviously red, or any makeup that is red based. It looks as if they are adding an eyeshadow. They have added a lipstick. They have added nail polish. So what you need to do is go out and purchase all of the items in order to follow this trend in your own video creation. So 2 glass containers, some clear slime, which you can create very easily with PVA clear glue and Elmer's slime liquid. So you can create these very quick clear slimes with those 2 items. Let it settle in the containers of your choice, and then also purchase your colored makeup. So as you can see, there is also lipstick being added, there is eyeshadow, there is glitter, there is nail polish, there is also they normally add some kind of lip balm that is colored, and then they just mash it into the containers. So that is what you will need to create videos for YouTube without showing your face, and hit this massive trend and join the algorithm and make that YouTube partnership program and make that money on YouTube and online. So those are the items you will need. I will put a list down below with some links, and you can check them out for yourself and make these videos and make that YouTube money. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, so thank you so much for stopping by and watching this Make Money Online video. Yes, it was Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur. And again, remember to like, comment and subscribe to receive notifications for my next and latest Make Money Online video. Alright, peace out.